Across the world, manufacturers are shaping the future of health, nutrition, and wellness. But behind every capsule, every tablet, and every formula, there's a need for reliability, precision, and a partner you can trust. For more than a decade, LFA Machines has stood beside manufacturers of every size, helping them fill and compress with confidence. LFA was born from a simple idea. Quality equipment shouldn't be out of reach. Whether you're starting your first production line or scaling into global volumes, you deserve tools that perform, with pricing that empowers growth. From our earliest days, we set out to make tableting and encapsulation accessible. And today, that mission still guides everything we do. We design and supply solutions built for every stage of your journey, from entry-level tablet presses, running our Thermopress and specialized excipients, to full-scale production equipment. From manual capsule fillers, paired with our premium empty capsules, to fully automatic production solutions. We provide the complete ecosystem. Every product reflects our commitment to affordable quality, combining durable engineering with user-friendly design. Because great equipment and quality ingredients shouldn't require compromise. With locations around the world, LFA delivers more than equipment. We deliver consistency, fast shipping, regional support, dedicated account managers who understand your industry. Wherever you manufacture, we're already close by. Manufacturing doesn't stop once the machine arrives, and neither do we. Our library of tutorials, troubleshooting guides, documentation, and training tools is unmatched. Because real partnership means sharing knowledge, solving challenges, and helping you succeed long after installation. At LFA, we don't just sell machines, we build confidence, we build capabilities, we build relationships meant to last. From startups to scale-ups, from nutraceuticals to confectionery to pharmaceuticals, LFA Machines is your trusted partner in tableting and encapsulation. Precision in every tablet, confidence in every capsule, support at every step. This is LFA Machines, a global partner, a committed educator, and the team behind your next breakthrough. Visit lfamachines.com to learn how we can support your business from start to finish. LFA Machines. We don't just provide machines, we provide service.